Hi everyone, earlier I had uploaded mini rose crochet tutorial and it got viral. You all gave me so much love. Thank you so much for that. And but one or two people and I also realized gave me a feedback that this green leaf tutorial is not clear. So I thought maybe why not create one more video with a good explanation. So this video I have created. I have added this mini rose link in the description, or else you can also see in the suggestion. You must have seen in the suggestion. You can watch that later as well. So for this I have took 1.25 mm hook and 4 ply yarn. For this we will make first slip knot. This. After making the slip knot, we will make 7 chain. 1 2 3, like this we will make 7 chain. 7. After making 7 chain, we will attach the wire here. Now we will insert the wire in the chain like this. You can see in the video the loop in this attached like this. Now we will take the yarn and the chain together and we will skip the first chain, and from this next chain we will make single stitch, and from the next chain we will make half double crochet. After that in next chain we will do double crochet. You can see in next chain we will do double crochet. In next chain half double crochet. And next chain 1 single crochet. Keep the wire intact. In the next chain we will do 3 single crochet. Only in one loop only we will be doing 3 single crochet. 1 in the same loop, second single crochet, and again third single crochet in the same loop. Now in nearby chain, nearest one, we will do 1 single crochet. You can see here this one we will do 1 single crochet, and then nearby this we will be doing half single crochet. Next chain half double crochet, then 1 double crochet in next chain, then 1 half double crochet in next chain, then single crochet. Now from where we started, from that chain make a single crochet and make one more chain and then cut. This is how you can cut. This way we will be making mini rose green leaf.